This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Caution: the oxygen sensors are delicate and will not work if dropped or knocked, if their power supply is disrupted, or if any cleaning materials are used on them. Pull the bonnet release lever located on the passenger side kick panel. Lift the bonnet safety catch, raise the bonnet upwards and support it with the rod. Fold out the locking lever from the battery negative terminal clamp and disconnect the negative lead. Secure the cable to one side to prevent accidental reconnection. The two sensors are threaded into the exhaust manifold, one upstream and one downstream of the catalytic converter. The procedures for both the upstream and the downstream sensors are the same. Trace the wiring from the sensor and disconnect the wiring plug. Note: as a flying lead remains connected to the sensor after it has been disconnected, if the correct spanner is not available, a slotted socket will be required to remove the sensor. Unscrew the sensor, taking care to avoid damaging the sensor probe as it is removed. Apply a little anti-seize grease to the sensor threads. Avoid contaminating the probe tip. Refit the sensor and tighten it to 44 Newton meters. Reconnect the wiring plug. Connect the lead to the negative battery terminal and fold in the locking lever, securing the cable firmly onto the post.